Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear viewers, in this discourse, we will discuss about an atom. First, about the discovery of an atom. Several philosophers and scientists has contributed in this regard. First is Democritus. It relates to period 460 to 370 BCE. He proposed two things: that an atom is indivisible particle, and second, atoms make the matter. Two things: atoms are indivisible, and second, atoms make the matter. Second scientist who contributed in this regard is John Dalton. His period is 1766 to 1844. He developed the modern atomic theory and suggested that atom is composed of small. First thing is small. Second, indivisible particles. Two things, that atoms are small, and second is indivisible particles. In this regard, third scientist is J. J. Thomson, period relating to period 1856 to 1940. He discovered the electron and proposed the plum pudding model of the atom. He also pointed out two things: that atom is divisible, means he discovered electrons in an atom, and he also put forward the model of an atom. Third, next scientist in this regard is Ernest Rutherford, relating to period 1871 to 1937, conducted the gold foil experiment, leading to the discovery of the nucleus. Rutherford discovered the nucleus of an atom and the development of planetary models. Second thing, he proposed that the atom has planetary model, means orbits are present around it in which electron, proton, neutron are present. Next in this regard is Neil Bohr, relating to period 1885 to 1962, refined the atomic model by introducing energy levels and electron orbits. Means those electrons who have high energy, they go in the distant orbits. Those electrons having low energy, they come to the closest to the nucleus. So evolution of atomic theory. Then understanding of atoms has evolved significantly over time, from ancient philosophical ideas to modern scientific theories. Each scientist built up the work of their predecessors, contributing to our current understanding of atomic structures. So now we will be able to define an atom. Atom is basically smallest unit of ordinary matter that form chemical elements. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, means all these things we have discussed in the discovery of an atom. So scientists put forward their views. The definition, the points of definitions are present in the discussion of we have made above. So, smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms chemical elements. Atoms are the building blocks of matters and consist of what? Proton, electrons, and neutrons. Proton carry positive charge, neutrons carry no charge, and electron carry negative charge. All these three, proton, neutrons, and electrons, present in the nucleus of an atom. What are its key properties? First, atomic number. Atomic number is represented by the symbol Z. It is equal to the proton number. How many protons are present in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. Next, atomic mass. Atomic mass is represented by the symbol of M. It is equal to the number of proton and neutron present in an atom. Present in an atom. Second, chemical reactivity is due to the atoms interact with other atoms through chemical bonds forming molecules. It depends upon the valency of the Atoms, uh, number of free electron present in an atom is called valency of an atom, and they are directly proportional to the bonds that an atom form with other elements. Importance of atoms. Atom is very much important because all the universe, substance, molecules, elements, compounds, everything, animals, plants, all the universe is made up of an atom, foundation of matter. Basic units of matter making up everything around us. Next, chemical reactions. Atoms participate in chemical reaction, forming new compounds. Understanding the world, studying atoms help us understand the properties and behavior of matter. All these things have I already discussed. I have discussed that animal cells, plant cells are composed of matters. Basically, basic building blocks. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter that retain the properties of an element. Composition. Atom is composed of proton, electron, neutrons. Already discussed. Animal cells. Basic unit is called basic unit of life. Animal cells are the foundational unit of our basic unit of an atom is also composed of atoms. Basic unit of life, animal cells are also composed of an atoms. Similarly, the plant cell is also composed of an atoms. So without an atom, life cannot be even imagined. Cell wall. What is the key difference between animal and plant cell is described in this here, and relationship between atom. Difference is very simple. Animal cells does not carry cell wall, and similarly, uh, similarly, chloroplast is also not present in the animal cells. But why I am discussing these animal cells and plant cells in this discourse? Due to simple reason that all these animals and plant cells are also composed of what? Atoms and electricity. The outer, in the orbits of the atom, electron are present, and electrons flow of electron is called electric current. So, without an atom, without electrons, electric current is also not possible. Next, what are the key concept? Flow of electron through a conductor measured in amperes. Similarly, now would like to directly go to the short questions relating to this topic. Smallest part of an atom is what? The smallest part of an atom are three electron, proton, or neutron. Second, what to determine the chemical properties of an element? Basically, valence electrons, free electrons determine the chemical properties of an atom. So what is the atomic number of an element? I have already discussed that the number of proton is called atomic number. It is represented by the symbol Z. What is the role of neutron in an atom? Very important question. Neutron contribute to the overall mass of an atom and help stabilize the nucleus by balancing the positive charge of protons. So it is very important question. What is the difference between atomic number and atomic mass? I already described the atomic number is equal to proton number, and mass number is equal to the number of proton and neutrons. Thank you very much, dear viewers. If this discourse is useful and helpful for you, please share it with other viewers and like it and describe it. Thank you very much.